Yummy Reef in Beaverton, Oregon. And I would like to support our OFW icon, Clifford Allen Estrada, for his cities and concert here in the U.S. Thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Lumayo, iniwan mo ang puso.
I'm Michelle Jones, and I want to support the OFW icon Clifford Allen Estrada. I'm from Beaverton, Oregon, USA, and it would be great to come see. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rick Gassner from Portland, Oregon, in the United States of America. We're here to support our OFW icon, which is Clifford Allen Estrada, on his CD and his new concert tour. We want to thank you very much, and we want to wish you a Merry, Merry Christmas.
Hi, I'm Ray Liano, talking from Beaverton, Oregon, USA. I am just wanting to let you guys know I support OFW icon. Please have Clifford Allen Estrada support his concert, his CD, and happy holidays.
Paglipas ng panahon, ako'y nananapit.
Northern Love Prince Allen Keyboard.
Wag mo namang sasaktan.
OFW icon, Prince Keyboard Allen Estrada.
Ang puso ko, nang tayo'y magtagpo, pag-ibig iaalay ko. Sa araw ay ikaw ang nasa isip, pagsapit ng gabi ikaw ang panaginip. Sa puso ko ikaw lamang sinta, ikaw na nga't wala nang iba. Pagsapit ng gabi, ikaw ang panaginip. Sa puso ko ikaw lamang sinta, ikaw na nga't wala nang iba. Sa araw ay ikaw ang nasa isip, pagsapit ng gabi, ikaw ang panaginip. Sa puso ko ikaw lamang sinta, ikaw na nga't wala nang iba.